Are you ready? 5 seconds. Start. Aggrieved by the order dated 28th August 2007 of the Learned Tribunal, the Revenue filed an appeal under Section 260A of the Act before the High Court of Bombay Stop. The aforesaid appeal was summarily dismissed by the High Court by the impugned order dated 7th August 2008, holding that as the CIT had gone beyond the scope of the show cause notice dated 7th November 2005 and had dealt with the issues not covered mentioned in the said notice, the revisional order was in violation of the principles of natural justice. Stop. So far as the question as to whether the assessing officer had made sufficient inquiries about the assessee's claim of expenses made in the revised return of income is concerned, which question was formulated as question number 2 for the High Court's consideration. The High Court took the view that the said question raised pure questions of fact and therefore ought not to be examined under Section 206A of the Act. Stop. The appeal of the revenue was consequently dismissed. Stop. Aggrieved, this appeal has been filed upon the grant of leave under Article 136 of the Constitution of India. Stop. Stanza. We have heard Shri Ranjit Kumar, Learned Solicitor General, appearing for the appellant revenue, and Shri Sham Diwan, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the respondent assessee. Stop. The assessment in question was set aside by the Learned CIT by the order dated 20th March 2006 on the principal ground that requisite and due inquiries were not made by the assessing officer prior to finalization of the assessment by order dated 30th March 2004. Stop. In this connection, the Learned CIT, on consideration of the facts and the case of the record of the proceedings, came into conclusion that in the course of the assessment proceedings, despite several opportunities, the assessee did not submit the requisite books of account and documents and deliberately dragged the matter, leading to one adjournment after the other. Stop. Eventually, the assessing officer, to avoid the bar by limitation, had no option but to hurriedly finalize the assessment proceedings, which on due and proper scrutiny disclosed that the necessary inquiries were not made. Stop. On the said basis, the Learned CIT came into conclusion that the assessment order in question was erroneous and prejudicial to the interests of the revenue, warranting exercise of power under Section 263 of the Act. Stop. Consequently, the assessment for the year 2001-2 was set aside and a fresh assessment was ordered. Stop. Over.